Okay, so this was tied to this, and really shittily muffed up. That goes off to God knows where. This here, this bunch of shit, goes up to our steering column there. There was one section of wire that these 3 wires connected to this little black wire going up to the, that little black wire going up to the steering column. That was the only splices I saw in this set of wire. And I've disconnected all of that and the alarm still goes off. I'm fucking lost. These red, green, and black wires is what was plugged into the motion sensor thing. And those seem somehow connected to, well, maybe not, but there's this bunch of fucking shit here. I don't know what that goes to. So, your input would be greatly appreciated. So far, so good. But nothing seems to stop the car alarm. I thought it was gold with that green wire, but that didn't fucking do it. So now I'm just dirty and cut. Fucking whiny.